You glow right now, right where you're sitting. It's not a metaphor, it's biology. Human bodies emit visible light, we just can't see it. In 2009, Japanese researchers used ultra-sensitive cameras in total darkness to photograph humans. What they found was astonishing. Every subject glowed, faintly, rhythmically, and with a subtle pulse that followed the body's circadian rhythm. The light came from bioluminescence, the same basic mechanism that lets fireflies shine. But in humans, it's nearly 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can detect. Where does this light come from? From your metabolism. As your cells process oxygen and energy, they generate reactive oxygen species byproducts that interact with molecules in your body and create photons. These particles of light escape through your skin in tiny flashes. Most of the glow is strongest around the forehead, cheeks, and neck, and it peaks in the late afternoon. Scientists think it is tied to how your body burns fuel like a byproduct of your internal engine. But here's the evolutionary twist. This light doesn't serve a purpose anymore. It is likely a relic, a side effect from a time when chemical reactions in animals might have meant something. Other animals evolved to use this glow for camouflage, hunting, or mating. Humans just kept the echo. We don't notice it, we don't need it, but it's still there, proof that evolution doesn't just build, it lingers. You are glowing quietly, constantly, and if that doesn't make you rethink your biology, maybe nothing will.
Hand in hand, we fight the unseen.